Good morning,
For
Pauline.
so long just to get to you. Because
Yes,
I am from the south of central Manchester.
yes.
My MP is Maya Wood Crawford.
Rhoda
Anyway,
Moy Crawford.
yes. Anyway, me not
Yes.
come about that. Me come about Mr. Mitchell. Mr. Mitchell, we have come from Fat Farm at Thursday. Would have water settled in a road in a central Manchester.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Use those water around Keithless earlier was there before Miss Maya or Rhoda Moy Crawford was MP. Peter Bunting was the MP. Donovan
Uh-huh.
Mitchell was the councillor and it was never fixed. Come on.
Mm-hmm.
In 4.5 years, they expect Miss Crawford to fix everything in a
Mm-hmm.
central Manchester. Mr. Mitchell is a wicked, they call it councillor and also mayor because I am living in Mr. Mitchell constituency, or area should I say more. And Mr. Mitchell don't do nothing that a truck we are walk through. Truck we are walk to bush cover the two sides of the road. So when Mr. Mitchell come to Miss Crawford, if he come good, from
Oh.
when you come down, just take a day and just come into central Manchester and drive round. Just to in a Mr. Mitchell section and take a
Mm-hmm.
good look.
Mm.
All Mr. Mitchell fix, all Mr. Mitchell fix is the drink out to go to the bar